Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create Gmail without phone number in iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to create your own Gmail account without using your phone number, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing I recommend you how to try to connect with a stable and the strongest network connection, and then try to disconnect with your VPN if you're connected to prevent any kind of issue. So after doing this, you can go to your Gmail app, or you can also use your browser to create a new Gmail account. So let's say I'm going to open my Gmail app here. Just tap on Google here. Select Google and tap on continue. And here you have to enter your mail address if you already have any account. If you don't have any account, just select this create account option. Then select for my personal use or for work or my business. I'm going to select for my personal use from here. Here you have to enter your name. After entering your name, just tap on next option here, and here you have to enter your date of birth. Let's say I'm gonna enter a random date of birth here. After entering your date of birth, just select your gender, then tap next option again. Now here you can create your own Gmail address, or you can select anyone from here. Let's say I want to select this one, and then tap on next option here. And here you have to enter your Gmail password. So you have to create a strong password which you can remember or which is and so just enter your mail password here. Just tap on next option here, and here you can save your password if you want. Let's say I'm gonna save my password, or you can select this note now option if you want to. Now on this screen you have to enter your phone number. If you want to enter your phone number, you can add it here, or if you don't want to enter your phone number, just select skip option from here. And now on this page, just review your account info, then tap on next option, and here just scroll down, then tap on I agree. And now your account is successfully created. So in this way, you can easily create a Gmail account without a phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.